Working now, guys?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to share my screen.
Share it.
Yes, so now it is working.
Okay. Maximize your concern. Go to your program. Go to your program. Previously, it was printing, Akila.
Yes, sir.
When you put this one, it's not printing.
Yes, sir.
Go to your run method one, please. Yeah, call that method. 29.
And comment your 29. And now try. So got it, guys? How to write your custom JPA queries?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so always you have to write it in a proper manner, like you have to write it. Either start by find by or query by or read by or get by, and then what you want to get it, and you have to write a complete condition. You have to write it. So you have to just declare the method. Other implementation and all will be automatically taken care by the
Repository interface.
repository interface. Okay, will be taken care by the repository interface. Now once again, go to the repository interface. Repository interface. Now give list of employee, list of employee, list of employee. Find all by order by name ascending. Find all by order by name ascending. Find all by order by name ascending. AC, that's it, AC. Okay. So now what we have defined, we are going to find all the employees, and after that, we are going to order them based upon which one?
Name.
Name in which order? Name in
Ascending order.
Ascending order. Okay. Name in the ascending order we have printed actually. Okay. So for that purpose, we are going by find all by
Order by
find all by order by name ascending. Okay, name ascending actually. Okay. Now go to the same method, derived query method. Go to the derived query method. Just give system.out.println. Find all name in ascending order. Finding all name in ascending order. Finding all name in ascending order. Finding all name in ascending order. Now copy the two lines before two lines. List of employee, listify is equal to emp dot this thing, and listify dot stream dot emp dot find all by order by name ascending. Don't pass any argument and change the thing to listify and print it listify dot for each. Sorry, stream dot for each. Listify and give listify dot stream dot for each. Now run it and check. Is it printing in the name of your ascending order? Is the name is printed?
Yes, sir.
Everyone finished up. Finished? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hitashni finished?
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
So now go to your run method and comment your derived query method. Comment your derived query method. Your run method, comment your derived query method. Comment your derived query method. So as I already told before, in the predefined we can able to find only based upon the ID we can able to find it. But if I want to fetch anything based upon different property, then you can go for a custom JPA method, and all your custom JPA method has to start with what?
Find by.
Find
by query by.
Method inside the repository interface, and the actual implementation and all will be automatically taken care by the repository interface. Now create another method called limited query. Create a method called limited query and create that method. Write a method called limited query and create that method. Write a method called limited query and create the method.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in previous I did not complete it, sir. It's coming error.
Share your screen.
Okay, sir. In this 4 it's not completed, sir.
Now go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface. Okay, come here. Spring Boot application. You open your Spring Boot 5 application. EMP dot. Keep your cursor pointer on that. It's undefined for the type repository. Go to the repository interface. Okay, go to your Spring Boot application. Go to your Spring Boot application. Now delete that one. Remove that. After dot, remove it. Remove the dot also. Remove the dot also. Now give dot. Now give dot. Select the second one. Select the second one. Second one.
Yes, sir.
And now give R percentage comma 35,000.0. Semicolon at the end. Now try. Save it. Now the error went. Go to the top. Come down. Down, down. Error creating being with name defined in. Go up, up, up. Go up. Not create public. Come to the. Just go little bit. In the top left, we don't have any error. Just show where is the error is. Just come down a little bit. Wait. Just go to the side. Move to your side. Could not create query for public list. Spring Boot. Side. Go side. Find by salary greater than. Okay, find. Go to your program. Go to your repository program. Find by salary greater than spelling. See the spelling for greater in line number 10. Go to your Spring Boot application also. Change the spelling. Now run. So come into your derived query method. Okay, we have one more thing. Type a list of employee. List of employee. Do it fast. List of employee. Find all by order by name ASC. List of employee. Find all by order by name ASC. Find all by order by name ASC. Find all by order by name ASC. Name ASC. Order by name ASC. No argument. It is going to find all the thing. Just method. That's it. Hello, it's a method. No. Now go to your Spring Boot application. Copy that 51 to 52. And change to listify and change the method. Change list 4 to listify and change the method. Change list 4 to listify and change the method. Remove the argument. Just remove the argument. We have just created a method without the argument only. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, it's not going to sign.
Just give parenthesis. It's a method.
Okay.
Find order by. Save it. Go to your employee repository. It contains error. How you can run it? What is your control is it?
Control set.
Copy that. Cut from line number 11 and paste it in line number 16. That's all I have to say. No, try. Comment your derived query method. Create a method called limited query.
Sir, here only, sir.
No, yeah. Next, create a method. Type limited query. Oh, not there. Inside your run method, create a thing called limited query. Inside run method.
Sorry, this one, sir.
After derived query, type
After derived query, try inside run method, Rahul. Where you are typing, Rahul? Inside run method.
After line 30.
31.
31 Rahul.
Yes.
Limited query.
Limited query.
Small.
L small letter. It's a method.
Yeah.
Now create it. Keep your cursor pointer on that and create it. So in the previous case, we created a custom JPA method where we have retrieved the data based upon different properties we have retrieved. So for that purpose, we use your custom JPA methods we have used actually. Now consider my employee table contains 1,000 records are there actually. Now I want to identify who is the highest paid employee in my company. Okay, in my employee table, I want to retrieve the highest paid employee. Similarly, I want to retrieve the lowest paid employee in my employee table. And similarly, I want to find the first 5 highest paid employee. Similarly, I want to find the first 5 lowest paid employee. So if I want to limit the number of records now, in that case, you can able to go for a concept called as your
Limited query.
limited query method. So if I want to write your custom JPA method now, it was always start with what?
Find by
Read by like. So if I want to limit the records now, then you have to go for a 2 keyword called as your top keyword or first keyword. Okay, you have to use a keyword called as what keyword? Top or
First.
Okay. You can use a keyword called top or first keyword. Okay. Go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface. Now, what is my objective now? I want to find the highest paid employee. Okay, I want to find the highest paid employee in my organization. Okay, I want to find the highest paid employee in my organization. I want to find it actually. So, highest paid employee, I want to return only one employee. I want to return it. So, what will be the return type? Would be
Employee.
employee. So, type it employee. So, as I already told before, if I want to limit the employee, if I want to limit the records, now what are the keywords I have to use it?
First or top.
Top and first.
Top or
First.
or first. Under first, top or first actually. Okay. So, employee space. Now, type it. Find the top by order by. Find the top by order by. Find the top by order by. Order spelling. Order by salary. Order by salary DESE. Order by salary DESE. Order by salary DESE. Order by salary DESE. So find the top by order by salary DESE. So now what I'm going to do now is a method. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to sort all the employees based upon the salary in which order?
Descending order.
Descending order. In the descending order, and I'll be sorting all the employees. I'll be sorting based upon the salary. In the descending order, I'll be sorting. So descending order, it will be higher to lower actually. Okay. Now in that thing, I can able to find the topmost one. I can able to find it because we used and keyword called is what keyword? Find
Top.
top by actually. To find the top by order by salary descending. Because my objective is that I want to find the highest paid employee in my organization. I want to find it actually. So I have defined employee find the top by order by salary
Descending.
descending. At the end of what you have to give, Rahul. Now go to your Spring Boot application program. Go to your Spring Boot application program. So go into your limited query method. Go into your limited query method. Copy the code and paste it. From the chat window, copy the code and paste it. Not at comma.
No, sir.
Not him, sir.
Okay. Now check. I think it's in.
Also.
Check the print. Put the last one, latest one, last one. Okay. So now semicolon at the end. Semicolon at the end. Okay. Now what we have done over here. So now we have printed system.out.println. Find the employee with max salary. I'm going to find it. So I'm going to call a function called emp.find top by order by salary descending actually. Now what it will do? It will sort all the salary in the descending order. It will be sorting. I'm going to take the topmost employee. I'm going to take it. I'm going to store into an object called
Even.
and I'm going to the T1 actually. Now run it and check whether it is printing the topmost employee it was printing. Run it and check whether it is printing the topmost employee was printing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface. Now type employee. Now I want to find the lowest paid employee. I want to find it actually. So type employee find. Instead of top, what I can able to give?
Lowest.
Bottom.
No, instead of top, what I can give? If I want to limit now.
First.
First, yeah. Find first by order by salary ASC. Find first by order by salary ASC. First by order by salary ASC. So now what it is going to do? It is going to sort all the salary in the ascending order. It will be sorting actually. Ascending order, lower to higher. Now I'm going to take the lowest paid employee. First employee I'm going to take it. That is the lowest paid employee actually. Now go to your Spring Boot application. Copy the code and paste it. Go to your limited query method and copy the code from the chat window and paste it. Now run it and check. Now run it and check whether it is printing the minimum employee salary with minimum employee with minimum salary.
Sir. Also.
Yeah, 30,000. Okay, so the 30,000 employees getting a minimum salary and 55,000 employees getting a maximum salary. But here, if you see, and in an organization, and only one employee will get 55,000 now. No, multiple employees also will be getting. But here we have retrieved only one employee we have retrieved actually. But consider there are 10 employees are getting 55,000 they are getting actually. Okay. Or for example, I want to retrieve the top 5 highest paid employee in the organization. I want to retrieve the top 5 highest paid employee. I want to retrieve it. So how I can able to do it? So go to your employee repository. Go to your employee repository. So I want to retrieve top 5. I want to retrieve it. Or top 3. I want to retrieve it actually. Okay. So in that case, you will get one employee or multiple employee you'll be getting up.
Multiple.
Multiple employee. So what will be the return type? What will be the return type?
List.
List of employee. List of employee. List of employee. List of employee. Find top 3. Find the top 3. Find the top 3. Or find the top 3 by order by salary DSC. No, 3. Number 3. Find the top 3 by order by salary DSC. Order by salary DSC. So now what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to sort the salary and all in the descending order. I'll be sorting. So highest to lower. In that thing, I'm going to find my top 3 employees. I'm going to get it who is getting the highest paid salary actually. So that is find the top 3 by order by salary descending. Now go to your main class. So copy the code from the chat window and paste it. Copy the code from the chat window and paste it. So here what we have defined emp.find the top 3 by order by salary DSC. So I'm going to find the top 3 employee with maximum salary and I'm going to store into a list called list and I'm going to print that list object using your string, convert it to a stream and then call your for each method. Check it. It was printing the first 3 employees with 55,000, 50,000 and 45,000.
Showing errors.
Check what is the Rahul? Just go to your program and show the program. Go to the repository program alone. Just go to the repository program alone.
Street is not showing any errors in main program only and
Share your screen. Show the program, Hitashni. Hitashni, what I told to comment your derived query method.
yes, I commented sir.
Where you commented, but why you putting the code into the derived query? Come down. Instead of putting inside the limited query, you pasted inside the derived query. Cut it and paste it. T, remove the T. Go to your employee repository. Give a space, list of employee top. Have you given a space?
List of
Not here, ma. Give undo. Go to your employee repository. List of employee space, find the top 3 by order by salary, DESC, not ASC. Now try.
not Rashmi, save employee.
I'm getting some error. Can you share my screen?
Working now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now everyone go to your employee repository.
Hello, sir. I'm getting some error. Can you share my screen?
Yeah, share. Here is error. No error. Now only it's coming up. System.
Can you go right in your console? Right.
39, line number 39, order by.
Capital O.
Rectified, huh?
Find first by order by schedule.
Order row caps. Check in your repository also. Order row caps. You didn't save. Is it working, Satyajit?
Yeah.
No. Is it working or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
Show your console. ASC is. Go to your properties. What is it? Repository interface. Go to your
I did
repository.
some mistake in my spelling actually. That's why I'm getting some error.
Yeah.
I just corrected. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Working, Satyajit?
Yes.
Okay, and now everyone go to your repository interface. So type a list of employee, find the first two, list of employee, find the first two, by DEPT, order by salary, by DEPT, order by salary, DESC, and inside your bracket, I'm going to give string DEPT. So can you guys say what is the purpose of this particular method?
First two department.
Yeah, it is going to return the and the first two employees in which department? Might be first two top 2 employees in which department?
Which will pass in this.
Yeah, whatever the department you are going to pass it, that it will be returning actually. Okay, so it is going to finding the top 2. For example, I'm going to pass as a HR department now. It is going to return the top 2 employees in which department?
HR
HR department. Okay, it is going to return the top 2 employees in the HR department. So for that purpose, you will be using this particular method. So go to the chat window, copy it and paste in the code. So is it printing the two employees in the HR department with maximum salary? Finding top 2 employees with max salary in HR department.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And instead of giving first, even we can give what?
Top.
Top. Anything you can give. Either you can give first or you can give top. You can give anything. Finished now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, go to the repository interface. Give list of employee. List of employee. List of employee. Find the first two. Find the first two. Find the first two by salary. By salary. Find the first two by salary, and inside your bracket you just give double salary. Inside your bracket give double salary. Inside your bracket give double salary. So what here? So just go to the chat window, copy the code, and paste inside your main inside that limited query method. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the, for example, here we are passing 30,000 as an argument. We are passing actually. So in 30,000 there will be so many employees are there, and in that so many employees I'm going to find my
First two
first two employee. Yes. Okay. So here we are calling find the first two by salary 30,000. So in 30,000 there will be so many employees will be there. Among that so many employees I'm going to find my first two
two employees.
First to 2.
So run it and check. Run it and check. So if I want to limit the records now, then you have to go for what keyword? You have to go for either
First or
top.
top.
Yes. Okay. You have to go for either first or top keyword. Finished, guys, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now previously we have discussed how to write your custom JPA method. Next we have discussed how to limit the records. Now the third one we are going to discuss is we are counting the records. So if I want to count the elements, okay, count the records in my and a table now, how I can able to do it. Again, go into your run method, comment your limited query method. Go into your run method and comment your limited query method. Go inside your run method, comment your limited query method. Just type as count query. Type as count query and create your count query method. Type as count query and create your count query method. Type as count query and create your count query method. Okay, so now we are going to discuss how to count the elements in the elements with the help of your JPA concept. Okay, count the elements with the help of your JPA concept actually. So everyone go to the repository interface. So if I'm going to count now, how many value it will be returning? One value or many values are?
Many values.
If I count
value,
now,
sir.
how many values you will be returning?
One value.
One value. Yes. Okay. So type long, space count by DEPT, count by DEPT, C small, count by DEPT, count by DEPT, C small, Satyajit, count by DEPT, inside your bracket string DEPT, count by DEPT inside your bracket string DEPT. So what we are going to do now, we are going to count the, like for example, HR department. How many HR departments are there? So if I want to count it, in that case, I can able to go for a method called, and you have to write the method. How I have to write it with the help of your count? Help of your count by actually. So here, so go to your chat window, copy the code and paste it. It is not REMP, just give only EMP. After pasting, it is not REMP, just give only EMP. It is not REMP, just give only EMP. So now I am going to find the, how many number of, which department?
HR department.
HR department. Okay. How many number of HR department are there? Run it and check whether it is printing the number of HR department. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Go to your repository interface. So now define the next method called as your long. Next method called as your long. Long count by salary. Long count by salary greater than equal. Count by salary greater than equal. Inside your bracket double salary. Greater than equal and inside your bracket double salary. So now we are going to count the employees who is going to get some salary greater than equal. Okay, we are checking for equal to condition also. Okay, equal to condition also. Now go to the chat window, copy the code and paste it. So now what we defined over here, so we are going to count by salary greater than or equal to 30,000. So we are going to find the number of employees whose salary is greater than or equal to
30,000.
type it, means after paste it, run it and check. Is it displaying, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. So go to the repository interface. Go to the repository interface. Now type long, count by name, count by name, count by name, count by name, ending with, inside your bracket string name. Inside your bracket string name. So now I'm going to count all the employee name that are ending with what? Some name and some string I'm going to pass it. Okay, some string I'm going to pass it. So go to the chat window, copy it and paste the code. Go to the chat window, copy and paste the code. So now here what we are going to do, we are going to count all the employees whose name is going to end with what?
E.
E.
Sir.
E. Yes, okay, it is going to end with your E. Run it and check. Is it printing, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again go to your repository. Again go to your repository. Long count by name. Long count by name. Count by name. Count by name. Like inside your bracketless string name. String name. Like L caps. Like inside your bracketless string name. So now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to count all the employees' name whose name starts with what? R. Because like is called as what operator?
Pattern.
Pattern matching operator actually. Yes. Okay. Copy the code from the chat window and paste it. So now I'm going to count all the employee whose name is going to start with what?
R.
R. So paste it and run it and check. Paste it and run it and check. Finished, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have discussed how to write your custom JPA method. Next we have discussed how to and limit the records. And next we have discussed how to
Count.
count the records. In all these cases, what we have written actually
Method.
methods. Yes, okay, we have written methods actually. But there are certain scenarios where you can't able to write even the methods also. In that case, what I have to write? I have to write only your queries. I have to write it. Okay, I have to write what?
Queries.
Queries I have to write it because we have used your predefined methods. We have used it. And next, if I want to fetch the property based, if fetch the data based on different property, now we created your custom JPA methods. We created. Next, if I want to limit the record, again we created the method. If I want to count anything, again we have created the method actually. But there are certain scenarios where even I can't able to write any
Method.
methods. In that case, obviously, I have to write what?
Queries.
Queries. Okay. And if I want to write any queries now, in that case, you have to go for an annotation called as your @query annotation. Okay, you have to go for an annotation called as your
Query.
Yeah. Let me share my screen 1 minute. So third one, second one, we have discussed custom JPA method. Next, we have discussed limiting the records using your first as well as what keyword?
Top keyword.
Okay, so we have used your first as well as your top keyword. We have used fourth one. We have discussed counting records by.
Count by.
Okay, using your count by actually. Now we are going to write. There are certain scenario where even we can't able to write your methods. In that case, we have to write the queries actually. Okay, writing queries actually. And how I can able to write the queries now using an annotation called as your @query annotation. Okay, using an annotation called @query annotation. And here we can able to write two types of queries. So here you can able to write two types of queries. You can write it. One is we call to be a JPQL query. Okay, JPAQL query. That is your persistent query languages where you are going to query what class?
Entity class.
Okay, we are going to query your entity class. And the second one is we call to be as usual SQL query where we are going to query the
Tables.
table. Okay, and in both the cases, you have to use what annotation? You have to use it. @query annotation. In both the cases, we have to use an annotation called as your @query annotation. So we first will see this two queries we can able to see. So share your screen. Okay, so now go to your run method, comment your count query method, comment your count query method, go into your run method and comment your count query method. Now type query info, type a method called query info and create that method. Type a method called query info and create the method. Query info and create the method. Query info. So type a method called query info and create the method. Finished up?
Yes, sir.
Now go to your repository interface, go to your repository interface, go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface. Now type list of employee, fetch all employee, fetch employee name. Sorry, fetch employee by name, fetch employee by name, fetch employee by name inside your bracket string name, inside your bracket string name. Okay. So here what happened means, I created a method called your fetch employee by name. So is this method is a predefined method?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
And is this method matches my custom JPA format?
No, sir.
No.
No. Okay.
No.
So obviously my JPA doesn't know how to write the implementation actually. So in that case, I have to write the thing with the help of an annotation called as your
Query.
Query annotation.
annotation. So before this method, write it query inside your bracket. Just come down, Vaibhav. Just come down. @query inside the bracket, double quotes. Select E from employee E. Select E from employee E. Select E from employee E. So now we have written what type of query we have written?
JPAQL.
JPAQL, because we have directly query which one?
Entity class.
Entity class. Okay, we have queried your entity class. Now write one more thing. List of employee, fetch employee by name 1 inside your. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Don't pass your argument. In the previous method, remove that string name. Remove that string name. Yes. So now type list of employee, fetch employee by name 1. Fetch employee by name 1. By name number 1. So is this a predefined method?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. And is it related to the custom JPA format?
No, sir.
No,
No. Yeah. So in that case, we have to write our own query. We have to write it. And in the previous case, we have written what query we have written?
JPAQL.
JPAQL we have written. Now I'm going to write your SQL query. We have to write it. So type it in @query inside the bracket. The value is equal to inside the bracket. The value equal to double quotes. Select star from EMP 1000. Select star from EMP 1000. After double quotes give comma. And give native query is equal to true. So always remember, if you are going to write any SQL query, now compulsory you have to use what attribute you have to use it?
Native query.
Native query is equal to true. Okay, compulsory you have to use an attribute called as your native query is equal to true. Okay, because we are writing what query we have written your SQL query we have written actually. SQL query we have written actually. So we have to compulsory write native query is equal to what?
True.
Got it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for this logic, we have to write what we have to and write inside your main class. We have to write it actually. Okay, we have to write inside your main class. We have to write it. You have to fetch all employee level, finding all using JPA. What method we created? Fetch employee by name only, no? By name.
So,
to go to the chat window, copy the code and paste inside your query info method. Query info method. So copy the code from the chat window and paste inside the query info method. So we are calling emp.fetch employee by name. So we don't have, it's not a predefined method, it's not a custom JPA method. So whenever you call this fetch employee by name, it is going to execute my query, it will be executing, and it is going to return the number of all the employees it will be returning, and all the employee will be stored into an object called list object. And I'm going to print one by one with the help of your for each method. Similarly, in the next case, we are calling emp.fetch employee by name 1. So it is not a predefined method, not a custom JPA method. So it is going to invoke my query, and we have written what query for fetch employee by name 1?
SQL query.
SQL query. And we have your native query is equal to true, so it's an SQL query. So it returns the number of employees and all the employees, it will store into an object for list one object, and we are going to fetch one by one with the help of your for each method. Now check it and see, run it and check whether it's printing all the employees.
Yes, sir.
Finished everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just sharing my screen 1 minute. Okay. So now can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we have written your JPQL query where we query the entity class, and next we have written an SQL query where we query the table access. But we have written a simple query. We have written select star from EMP1000, select E from employee like E. But we didn't pass any parameter. Now we are going to pass parameters to the parameters to what? Parameters to query. And there are two ways we can able to pass it. The first way is we call it a positional parameter. Positional parameter. And in order to define your positional parameter, we have to give :1, :2, :3, like that. How many parameters are they? Based upon the position, it will be copied to my first parameter will be copied to my first question mark. Second parameter will be copied to my second question mark, and the third parameter will be copied to my third question mark actually. And the second way is we call it your named parameter. And we have already discussed how to define your named parameter using which operator? Colon operator. Okay, colon operator. And how I can, so you can give some name I can able to provide. So colon A, colon B, like that we can able to define some name I can able to define, and how to pass the value to that particular and A and B parameter now with the help of an annotation called as param annotation. Param annotation. Use it to pass value to parameter or value to named parameter. So if I want to pass the value to the named parameter now, in that case I can able to use an annotation called as param annotation. Yeah. So now I will share your screen. Go to your repository interface, guys. Go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface. Okay, now write one method. List of employee, list of employee, list of employee, list of employee, get employee by salary, get employee by salary, get employee by salary, inside your bracket double salary, inside your bracket double salary, get employee by salary, inside your bracket double salary. So is this a predefined method?
No, sir.
No. It is it related to the custom JPA format?
No, sir.
So my Spring Data JPA doesn't know how to write the implementation actually. So we are going to write the query actually. So before that method, write the query using what annotation? Query annotation. After query, inside the bracket, let's select E from employee E. Select E from employee E where E dot salary. Select E from employee E where E dot salary greater than question mark 1. Greater than question mark 1. Number 1. Question mark number 1. Okay. So here we have written what type of query we have written?
JPA
JPA query we have written, and this method is going to take one parameter, it is going to take it, and I want to pass that parameter to the query I want to pass it, and here we are passing the parameter using which concept we are passing the parameter?
Positional parameters.
Positional parameter.
Okay, we are passing the information with the help of your positional parameter, because as I already told before, positional parameter means it is going to what it is going to do? It is going to how many argument we are passing?
One.
One argument. So we are using how many position we are giving?
One.
One position. Okay, one position actually. Okay, one position. Now type one more method. List of employee. List of employee. List of employee. Get salary by 1. Sorry, get employee by salary 1 double salary. Get employee by salary 1 double salary. So now I created one more method called as get employee by salary 1, which is not a predefined method, which is not a custom JPA format, is not there. So my Spring Data JPA doesn't know how to write the implementation. So we have to write our own query. We have to write it. So type it @query. Select star from EMP1000. Select star from sorry. Query value is equal to double quotes left. Value is equal to double quotes left. Select star from EMP1000. Select star from EMP1000 where E dot salary is greater than EMP1000 where salary is greater than colon sal. You can give anything. I'm giving colon sal. After double quotes, if it is a SQL query, now what do you have to give? Native query is equal to true. Native query is equal to true. Native query is equal to true.
Yes, sir.
Native query is equal to true. How to pass the value to that named parameter with the help of what annotation?
At the rate param.
At the rate
Param.
param annotation. So you just come to the method. No, not there. List of employee, get employee by salary 1. Before double salary, give at the rate param, and inside your bracket double quotes la sal. Double quotes la sal, then give double salary. So whatever the value we are passing to the salary, it will be assigned to a parameter called as what parameter?
Sal.
Yeah, sal parameter. Okay, it will be assigned to a parameter called as your sal parameter. Got it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now copy the code from the chat window and paste inside your main class.
That's all.
Is it working, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it working, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so you can able to write your own query. Either you can write a JPA-QL query, you can write it, or you can write your SQL query, you can write it. And if you want to pass the parameters to the query, either you can go for
Positional
positional
parameter.
parameter, or you can go for.
Name
Name
parameter.
Name
parameter.
parameter.
So always remember, positional parameter, it has to be always start with 1. How many number of parameters you have, that much number of what you can give.
Positional parameter.
That much number of
Question mark.
you will give your positional
Question mark.
question mark, actually, yeah. And if you have a named parameter, now how we can pass the value to the named parameter with the help of an annotation called other rate?
Param.
Annotation. Okay. Now we have written the query inside which program we have written?
Repository interface.
Repository program. Instead of writing the query inside the repository program, I can able to write the query in the entity class, and I can able to refer the query with the help of some name. I can able to refer, and what is the type of query is called as. Even in Hibernate we have studied. We'll be writing the query in the entity class, we'll be writing and we'll refer that query with the help of a name.
Named query.
Named query. If it is a JPA-QL query, and if it is an SQL query, na?
Native.
Named native query.
Native
Okay,
query.
it's called named native query. Okay, go to your repository program. So create a method called list of employee, fetch by salary. No argument. Fetch by salary. Okay, is it a predefined method?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And is it related to the what is it?
First,
Yeah, JPA syntax.
No, sir.
No, it's not related to the JPA syntax also. So in that case, we have to write the query with the help of what annotation?
Query
At the rate
query
query.
annotation.
But if I write the other query annotation, where I can able to write the query, I can write the query inside only inside which program?
Repository program.
Repository program. But my objective is that I'm going to write the query in which program?
Entity class.
Entity class. And here, fetch by salary, you can pass the salary also. Give it as double salary. You pass the argument as double salary. Okay. So here we are not writing the query in the entity repository program. We are not going to write it. We are going to write the query inside which class?
Entity.
Entity class.
Everyone open your entity class. So after other rate table. So as I already told before, we can write two queries. I can write it. One is JPA-QL query. I can write it, and another one is we call to be a
SQL.
Native.
SQL query actually. Okay. So right now, if I'm going to write the SQL query in the entity class, now it is called as your named native query. So type it other rate named native query, named native query inside your bracket. Name is equal to double quotes la. Name equal to double quotes la. Employee dot capital E. Employee dot. So what is the name of the method you have created? No, method. Fetch by
Fetch by
salary. Employee dot fetch by salary. Comma.
After double quotes.
After double quotes, give comma. Give one enter so that others can give one enter. So query is equal to double quotes. Let's select star from EMP 1000. Select star from EMP 1000. Where salary is greater than question mark 1. So what parameter we have passed?
Positional.
Positional
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 parameter.
parameter.
Now after that, give comma. After double quotes, give comma. Because right now we have written what query we have written?
Named query.
Native.
SQL query.
SQL query we have written. So we have to define the response also. We have to define it. So give result class is equal to find result class is equal to employee dot class. Okay, result class is equal to employee dot class. Class is equal to employee dot class. Go to the chat window, copy and paste the code and check it. Is it printing, guys? The salary greater than 40,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So always remember, in this case, the name of the method and the name of the query should be what?
Same.
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 So what is the name of the method we created?
Fetch by
Fetch
salary.
by
Fetch by
salary.
salary.
And in the query, what is the name we have given? Employee dot
Fetch by salary.
Fetch by salary.
employee dot fetch by salary. So make sure both the same actually. So here we have written what query we have written?
SQL query.
SQL query. Okay. Now go to your employee repository program. Go to your employee repository program. Type list of employee, list of employee, list of employee. Fetch by salary 1 double salary. Fetch by salary 1 double salary. Fetch by salary 1 double salary. Double salary. So is this a predefined method?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And it is not related to the custom JPA method syntax also. So we have to write the query. But here we are not going to write the query inside your repository program. Instead, we are going to write the query in the
Entity class.
okay. And in previous case, we have written what type of query we have written?
SQL query.
SQL query.
SQL
So for that purpose, we have used what annotation? At the rate?
Name.
Native query.
Named query. But now I am going to write your JPQL query. I am going to write it. So for that purpose, you have to use an annotation called at the rate named query. At the rate named query. Named query. At the rate named query. Name is equal to employee.fetch by salary 1. Name is equal to employee.fetch by salary 1 because the name of the method and the name of the query should be same. Employee.fetch by salary 1, comma. Query is equal to select E from employee. Select E from employee. Select E from employee where E dot salary. Select E from employee where E dot salary. E dot salary. E dot salary greater than colon yes greater than colon yes. So what is it? Yes is called as
Named parameter.
named parameter. And how I can able to give the value for the named parameter?
At the rate parameter.
Param.
Have you finished guys till this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Oh, 1 minute. Viber, go to the entity class. Viber, go to the entity class.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. Finish now?
Yes.
Okay. Now go to your Go to your repository interface. Go to your repository interface. So in the double salary, I want to pass the parameter. You have to use what annotation? At the rate
Param.
param. At the rate param inside your bracket, double quotes like yes. At the rate param inside your bracket, double quotes like yes. So whatever the salary we are passing, that will be passed to the parameter called as
Yes. Yes.
yes parameter. Okay, we'll pass it to the parameter called as your yes parameter. Everyone copy the code and paste it and check it. So in the case of Spring Data JPA, you have to give a proper and a declaration you have to give it. Other implementation and all will be automatically taken care by your data JPA itself. There is no need to write the implementation and all by yes. So it will be automatically taken care by your data JPA itself. Finished, guys?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
when you give for the second one, it's showing error saying that.
Share your screen. And give space, ma. List of employees, space, fetch by salary, space, fetch by salary 1, and yes is in small letter, and why there is one extra brace over there.
Sir, there I given only.
Okay, no problem. And just give remove the parenthesis after before D. That's it. Right now. Okay, finished everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till now we have written what type of queries we have written?
SQL.
SQL, what query, what statement we have written?
Select.
Select statement only we have written actually. And if I want to perform any DML operation, we have already studied certain methods we have studied. So if I want to insert now, we have to go for which method? If I want to insert anything now, we have used which method?
Save method, sir.
Save method actually. Okay. And if I want to delete now, we have to use which method?
Delete.
Delete method. And for update also, we have used which method only?
Save method, save method.
Same method.
Save method. Okay. So we have used only methods we have used actually. For DML operation, we didn't write any
Queries.
Queries.
queries. Okay, we didn't write any queries actually. We have used only your and delete method and save method like that we are using. But for DML operation also, if I want to write the queries now, then you have to use an annotation called query annotation only. We have to use it. But apart from this, there is one more extra annotation we have to use it. That is we call it modifying annotation. And this modifying annotation can be used only in the case of which which type of statements?
DML.
DML statement. Okay, the type of DML statement only you have to write this write this modifying annotation. So go to your repository interface. So type a method int update salary inside your bracket we are going to pass two arguments. We are going to pass it string department comma double int update salary inside your bracket string DEPT comma double percentage PRCENTHE double percentage percentage, not salary, percentage.
Yes, sir.
So now I am going to define one method called as your update salary method. And what this update salary method has to do now, based on a particular department, I want to increase the salary by
Some percentage.
some percentage. I want to increase the salary by some percentage. I want to increase it. So is it a predefined method?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And it is not based upon the custom JPA method also. So we have to write the query. We have to write it. How we are going to write the query with the help of what annotation?
At the rate query annotation.
Query and
Query annotation. Before that, other rate query inside your bracket update employee E, other rate query inside your bracket update employee E. So again, we are writing what type of query we are writing?
JPA query.
SQL query, because we are querying your entity class. Okay, update employee set E dot salary is equal to E dot salary is equal to E dot salary plus E dot salary is equal to E dot salary plus
Percentage. E dot
percentage.
no, E dot salary equal to E dot salary plus E dot salary again E dot salary divided by 1 minute, let me type it first. I'll put in the chat window, copy it and paste it. So type the query and paste it in your over there. Copy the query and paste it. So what query we have written actually? Update employee E set E dot salary equal to E dot salary plus E dot salary into and colon percentage colon percent divided by 100 where E dot department is equal to colon DEPT. So what is the colon percent and colon DEPT are?
Named parameter.
Named parameter. And how I can able to pass the value to the named parameter with the help of what annotation? Define. Other rate param bracket double quotes DEPT. So whatever the value you are passing to string DEPT, that will be passed to a parameter called DEPT. After that, before double give other rate param, and what is your param we are passing? Hey, for percentage, what parameter we are passing? Percent. Yeah, percent. Okay, and as I already told before, whenever you're writing any DML operation now, apart from that other rate query annotation, we have to provide one more annotation called as your other rate modifying annotation. So before other rate query, give it as other rate modifying annotation. Other rate modifying. And before that, give one more annotation called other rate transactional, because you're going to do some changes in my database. We are going to do it actually. So we are going to provide an annotation called other rate transactional also. So whenever you're going to write any queries with the help of your DML query with the help of your other rate query annotation, then compulsory you have to provide two more annotation called other rate modifying and other rate transactional. Modifying and other rate transactional. Okay, now copy the code from the chat window and paste inside your query info method. Copy the code from the chat window and paste inside the query info method. No, just give update salary. Remove that update department salary and give only update salary. Update salary. HR comma 16.0. HR comma 16.0. So now we are going to call a method called update salary method. Update salary method for the HR department. I am going to update the salary by how many percentage?
16.
16%.
16% I'm going to update it. Now run it and check whether for the HR department 16% has been increased. Run it and check whether for the HR person the 16% has been increased.
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, it is update salary. Don't give update DEPT salaries. Just give update salary and inside your bracket like HR comma 16.0. Vaibhav, show the code for that line alone.
So now it's open.
Change it, Akitashni.
Yes, sir.
It's update salary HR comma 16.0. So always remember, if I want to write any queries for DML queries with the help of other rate query annotation, then compulsory you have to provide two more annotation called other rate modifying and other rate
Transaction.
Okay, now if I want to sort the data and display it, now what class you are using actually? If I want to sort it and if I want to display, now what you are using actually?
Paging and sorting.
No. Leave that one. Till now, what you have used actually? But till now, what
Order by.
class you have used actually? Huh?
Order by for
Order by. Yes, you have used your order by actually. So instead of using order by, we have one more option is also there. Like the last method, list of employee, find by DEPT, and inside your bracket, string DEPT, strings DEPT, sort yes, space yes. So now I have created one custom JPA method where we are going to and find by department. After finding by department, I want to sort it. So I'm going to use an inbuilt class called as your sort class. Okay, I'm going to use an inbuilt class called as your sort class from org.springframework.data.domain. From data.domain. Sort class from your data.domain.
Yes, sir.
Sort class from data.domain. So is it a custom JPA method?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, it is a custom JPA method. But after, instead of using order by class, I'm going to use an inbuilt class called as
Sort class.
sort class. I'm going to use an inbuilt class called as your sort class actually. Okay. So now we just copy the code from the chat window and paste it. So now what we have done over here, so we have find all the employees in which department? We have find all the employees in which department?
HR.
HR department. And after finding all the employees in the HR department, I'm going to sort them based upon name and
Salary.
salary. In which order?
First name and then salary in ascending order.
Salary, which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order. If you want to give in descending, you can give dot descending, you can give it. Here I have given dot ascending. Now run it and check.
Sir, sort.
You have to import your org.springframework.data.domain.
That package only imported, sir. But in a main class, then the sort.
Again import in your main class also.
No, sir, actually it's not showing that important part. Actually, that's some
Oh.
error.
Then copy from the repository thing and paste it.
Okay.
You have imported dot in the repository, no, copy and paste it over here.
Sir,
Finish the guys.
it's showing errors. Create constant sort, sir. In that line, main.
Share your screen. No, that only I told to copy, paste, and the input from the repository program and paste it. No. Now only I told you, copy the sort input from the repository program and paste over here. Go to your repository program, go to the top. Copy the sort thing, line number 7, and paste in your main program. Now save. Finish that, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is about
New query.
employee E capital letter. Select E from employee. E is capital letter. Employee E capital. But don't use space between. Go to your repository program. Don't use space between 42 and 44. Give a space between 39 and 40. Go to your employee.java. Employee.java. Here in line number 14, employee. E is capital letter. Capital letter. Not right. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, that's it about the what is it? Spring Data JPA concept. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in today's session, I'm going to give some 4 programs. So first, we have to create a database, and you're going to insert some data into that particular table. After that, you have to do the program. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.